Hello everyone, myself Manisha Kalia going to present a small PowerPoint presentation on the topic myths and facts of COVID-19. So let's start. Coronavirus is a new villain of world, as we can say. It's an infectious disease, and the symptoms of COVID 19 are fever, cough, difficulty in breathing, muscle pain, and tiredness. To prevent this, we should take the following steps. We must stay at home, wash our hands frequently, thoroughly, and use sanitizer. Eat properly, maintain social distance, and avoid going outside. Here are some of the myths and facts. The first myth is COVID 19 can't be transmitted in areas with hot and humid weather. That's totally false. The fact is, the virus can be transmitted in all areas, including areas with hot and humid weather. The second myth is taking a hot bath prevents one from contracting the new coronavirus disease. This is also false. The fact is, taking a hot bath will not prevent from catching the virus. The third myth is the new disease only affects older people. Younger people are not susceptible. But it's totally false. The fact is, people of all ages can be infected if they don't take precautions. The fourth one is there are specific medicines to prevent or treat the coronavirus. This is totally a myth. The fact is, there is no specific medicine recommended to prevent this disease. However, those affected are receiving appropriate care to relieve and treat the symptoms. The fifth one is eating garlic can help prevent infection with the new coronavirus. This is also false. The fact is there is no evidence from the current outbreak that eating garlic has protected people from coronavirus. So see friends, misinformation during a health crisis leaves people unprotected and vulnerable to the diseases and spreads fear and stigmatization. Be sure to get your facts from reliable sources like World Health Organization and UNICEF. The motto should be together we can stop the spread of COVID 19. So let's unite together and fight this pandemic. Thank you.